to another episode in Kana, episode 3. We have a special guest today with us. Let me introduce our guest for today, S.L. Mohammed Rasha. S.L. Mohammed Rasha is a sparkling dancer of rare talent and skill. He is an example of the term dance has no religion or barriers. Born to a Muslim family, he has had the courage to reach to the world as a dancer while respecting his own religion and culture. Rashan's initial training in dance was in Kandyan tradition, where he trained under several masters, including Sri Karunaratna Bandara, Sri Priyasara Silpatipati, Sri Kulashri Buduvata, and Sri Prakeet Anuradha. In Kandyan dancing, he has won high praise at national competitions as well as several other dance competitions in Sri Lanka. He has trained in low country Sri Lankan dance under Ashoka Disanayaka and modern contemporary dance under Kapila Palihavadana. His initial training in Bharatanatyam was under Kalashuri Vasugi Jagadiswaran. Following this training, Rashan graduated from Kalakshetra College of Fine Arts in Chennai. After completing his 4-year diploma in Bharatanatyam with first class honors, he went through vigorous training under renowned artists Miss Leela Simpson, Miss Sri Sheetit Krishna, Srimati Briga Vasel, K.P. Rakesh, and Girish Madhu. Rashan was an established dancer and also head of Pravaha Dance Foundation in Sri Lanka. Before he migrated to Australia, he taught at Rusiru Dance Academy, Sri Lanka, and also has worked as a choreographer at Daybridge International School in Dehiwala. He also frequently conducted various workshops in Sri Lanka to make this art of dance more accessible for the people. He was performing artist in Natya Kala Mandir and Risuru Dance Academy and has performed in Singapore, Sri Lanka, and India. Welcome, Rashan, for Kana episode 3. We are glad to have you. So, thank you for coming on board for Kana.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Kana team. I'm so happy today that you guys are inviting me on your board. So I'm so happy.
Okay. So you are a very talented dancer because you are hailing in Kandyan dance as well as simultaneously in Bharatanatyam. So your today's topic is quite interesting because you're going to demonstrate about Kandyan dance and you're going to demonstrate about Bharatanatyam. So to begin with, please tell us what is Kandyan dance and what is Bharatanatyam.
So as most of you know, the Kandyan dance originated in India, in South India, especially in around Tamil Nadu. And Kandyan dance originated in Sri Lanka and hill countries. Actually, the Kandyan dance, the real name of Kandyan dancing, they call Udarata in Sinhala. Uda means up, Rata means country, up country dance. The meaning of up country dance, when we say up country, come to our mind is Kandy, the hill country. So that's how the name come Kandy. Around the Kandyan dance originated in Kandy, that name called Kandy, that village name called Kandy. So that's where the Kandyan dancing starts. Basically, we have 3 main traditional art forms in Sri Lanka, like Kandyan dance or Udarata, Pahatrata or low country, Sabaragamu or Sabaragamu dance. Those are the 3 main traditional art forms in Sri Lanka. So each and every art forms have like similarities and difference. But Kandyan dancing is something very unique art form and very unique. We don't have much mudras. We have only 1-2 mudras, and like I would say like 50, 60, 100 years ago, they used to use different mudras like this, Mushti, in Patakam, Tipatakam, those kind of mudra we used to use in Kandyan dancing. No more, because people don't know what happened to those mudras. Now we just use this mudra. This is our main mudras for Kandyan dancing. And the Mandya, we call the main posture called Mandya. It's a very different than Aramandi. It's similar to Kathakali Mandi, similar to Kathakali Mandi. So I'm gonna show you what is Kandyan dancing, how how it's practiced and what is the Namaskaram of Candian dancing and Bharatanatyam. What is the difference between Bharatanatyam and Candian dancing? Because when I was studying Candian dancing when I was a child from my age 6. So after my 12th, I'll start learning Bharatanatyam under Vasu Jagadisharan, and I went to Kalakshetra. I faced a lot of issues when I'm learning Bharatanatyam because I'm changing an art form. Especially Bharatanatyam, we don't have a back push. And Candian dancing, we have a back push. And Bharatanatyam, we don't spread our legs. Candian dance, we have to spread our legs. So when I'm practicing, especially in Kalakshetra, I'll struggle a lot to change my style. Once you know the styles different between your styles, it's easy for you. Now I can perform Candian dance in different way, in the Bharatanatyam different. So today what I'm going to show you basic fundamental steps and structure and the mudras and the Bharatanatyam, we have a lot of adavus. In Candian dancing we got only 24 adavus. We call haramba, we call Pasaramba and Godasaramba. Pasaramba means just a leg movements like a tattadavu. Godasaramba, it's called not like a nattadavu. We are using hands and legs both together. So as you know, in Bharatanatyam, nattadavu, we use Teyum Tatta Teyum Tam. Those are the words we are using just for nattadavu. In Candian dancing, same. Domi Kitta Kitta Dom. For the Godasaramba, we use just one word. And for the Tattadavu, we have different teya, te, tam, different chollu kattas. When same thing in Pahataranda, Candian dancing, Pasaramba, we have different words like chollu kattas. So today I'm going to show you the main posture and the hand movements. So give me a second, I'll just. So yeah, I'll start with the Namaskar. I hope you can see me. Yeah?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So this is how we start our Namaskar. And go up, go down, and we crossing our hands. Teya, 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 down. This is for Lord Buddha. Teya, 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 down. This is for all the gods. Teya, 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 down. This is for gurus. Teya, 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 down. This is for our parents. So before we dance, we worship the Bhumi Mata. As we know, we are tapping and we believe that it's going to hurt her. So we asking permission, and we saying like, if we going to hurt you, please forgive us. So that's why we are doing Namaskara and taking the Ashirwada from all the teachers. As you know, Bharatanatyam also we do the same thing, taking permission from the Bhuma Devi. So Candian dancing, just put my camera a bit down, then you can see my leg properly.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is each and every person have different body structure, right? So I'm 5.5. Some people 6 feet. Some people 4 feet. So what? So this is a measurement for Candian dancing men here. We have to open our leg this way and other way around like this. And make sure you push your knees toward the sides and sit as much as you can. And knee should be go back. So this is the main structure. This is the main leg movement. In Bharatanatyam, we know we have Aramandi, right? But one more thing I want to tell you, in Aramandi, we have different Aramandi, two different Aramandis. Kalakshetra, we used to have like flat. It has been one line. And some styles, we have like they're facing their knee for the corners. Candian dancing, we are opening the legs and it should be towards the sides. And when you sit, your knee and the toe should be in one line. It has to be perfect line. Flat, and your toe and your knee has to be in one line. That much you have to sit. That's it. And if you're sideways, in Bharatanatyam, we have to push your back in, chest up, abdomen hold. In Candian dancing, you have to push your back like this. The reason is, if I keep my hand this way in Bharatanatyam, it won't look good. It looks something else. And Candian dancing, if I sit this way, it won't look good. So what happens when you open your legs? you need the back push and keep the hands. You need the curve. If you see Kathakali, the Kathakali dancers have that kind of curve here. So we need that kind of curve here. So we have to push our back and we have to just up facing this way. So in Canadian dancing, in Bharatanatyam, we know we should keep your hands here with the chest. In Canadian dancing, we have to open your hands and spread out. And it has to be from up to down. Even Bharatanatyam, we know we have Vallur style, Kalakshetra, Pandanallur, different style. But Canadian dancing, we don't say style, but according to the teachers, they have changed their style. Once they learn, they're changing. So in some dance schools, they keeping the finger a little bit bent like this and sit this way. Some school they're opening this way, some school keeping your hands there. The hands is different. And some school they are dancing in a frame. They don't spread their hands. So they are doing everything in a frame. But some school like my school, we are opening our hands and we are like free. We are just spreading our hands and we are dancing like freely. Bharatanatyam, what I mean, Bharatanatyam, everything is line. Perfect line. And it has to be I feel like we are holding ourselves. We have to control ourselves. Canadian dancing, we have to control, but we are free to dance. For example, the Bharatanatyam, these are the movements we have to do. We can't go beyond that, then it looks messy. But Canadian dancing, you can use the upper body and we can turn, you can do whatever you want and in a good way. You know what I mean? So those are the main, that's what I'm saying. The two art forms are there are a lot of difference. If you see Kathakali and Canadian dancing, we have a lot of similarities. When Kathakali, we have all the bending movements and sides and everything. Canadian dancing also we have dum mi ta dum mi ta dum mi ki ta ki. Those kind of movements we have in Canadian dancing. But Bharatanatyam, everything is under control. We have to control, we have to hold abdomens. If you lose the abdomens, everything is finished. So what I am doing now, so when I'm teaching Canadian dance to my students, I'm telling them line is very important. Early days, Canadian dance, we dance as a ritual. As in Bharatanatyam, we perform as a ritual. In Devadasis, in the Kovel, they dance. In Canadian dancing, it's interesting, we dance as a ritual. We never perform on stage. When the times come, when the technologies develop, so it's become an art form, traditional art form. Then they realize, okay, we need to have a proper adobe sets. We need to have proper items. So then they start choreographing stuff like a Varnam, Padam, Tillam. We have a Varnam.
So
Varnam.
Let me interrupt you here. So when
Sure.
it's Varnam,
Yeah.
does it have that similar pattern as Bharatanatyam? Because Varnam, that word is very similar to Bharatanatyam. So does it have that similar structure like Purvangam, Uttarangam? Does it have structure like that?
There are similar structures like that, but we don't have a bhavam. We don't have bhavam means we do have, because people are not using it. People are just smiling and dancing.
Bharatanatyam, the bhavam structure itself, it's so elaborate, isn't it? Even in Kathakali, they have structured bhavam pattern to it. So when it comes to bhavam, what does Canadian dance have? What is the structure?
Okay, Canadian dance bhavam is, we have bhavams, but we don't have like Bharatanatyam or Kathakali. In Varnam, we have 18 Varnams. Varnams, 18 we have. Each Varnam representing some animal or some god or some person. Like Gajak.
Varnam, is it?
It's called Varnam.
Varnam means you're saying paragraphs or the structure of your Canadian dance bar?
No, the item we call Varnam. Even Varnam, we have like a Pallavi, Anupallavi. We have a Thanam, Kavi, Kastirma, Sirmaru, Adava. And first half, we have like songs. The second half, we have just drum beats. And for example, Gajagavanam. Gajaga means elephant. It's saying about the elephant and the representing elephant. The people are just smiling and dancing. But actually, what is mean is we have to dance like a proud elephant. And especially we have Ukusa Vandam. Ukusa means eagle. So Ukusa, when we do Ukusa, we have like do sharp eye movements and dance like that. But people are they're doing just like smiling and dancing. They don't really do the abhinayas. They just maintain one abhinay in their face and they're dancing. It's okay. We can't blame the people. It's different people. They are performing different way. And the good, nice thing is each varnama have different talams and different tone. Gajaga varnama ta ta da how the elephant walk, how the elephant, the behavior of the elephant. The talam is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how the elephant walk, like slowly. And then second now they change. The elephant is enjoying it. So the elephant style is changing. If you see Daladamal, you know Daladamal Gaurat in Kandy. They have pradoshams every year, like processions every year. So the Daladamalga that the Dantadhatun say we call that Buddha's thing. So the who called that elephant, he's very proud elephant. He walked like that. That's why they're explaining about that dance. And other thing is eagle, Ukusavannama. The eagles flying and they go somewhere and just look like this, right? Eagles are. That's where they're explaining it. Tanina tana. Tana tanina tamdana tana. Each item have different tones. It's related to the animal. And we have another item called Ganapati Vannama. It's about the Lord Ganesha.
Oh,
he's saying, sorry?
That's fascinating because in Canadian dance, having Ganapati. Can you elaborate more about that?
Yeah. So in Ganesha, we said Yutsirin Babalana, Athisin Sasobana, Veddalin Adadana. If you see some Ganesha, so they have like half trunk. Have you seen?
Yes, because he broke a trunk and he wrote it.
Yes. So that's where they're saying you have big head like an elephant and you have a half trunk. So you see about the Ganesha, that item totally about Ganesha, how his behavior. And in Sri Lanka, in India, we said they had a different story for the Ganesha, right? One say when the Parvati went to take a bath and she took all the chandan kumu from her body and she create Ganesha. Okay, yes. And Sri Lanka, and the other thing is like, Valli?
Yes.
So we have stories in Valli about Valli in Sri Lanka. So we have different story for that Ganesha in Sri Lanka. So that's why we have similarities in some stories.
Okay, so I'm interrupting you again.
Sure.
We have lots of Vinayagar Urupadis. We have like tons of Vinayagar Ganesha. So we open up with Ganesha Urupadi. So I'm interested to see how do you show Ganeshas this Urupadi in Canadian dancing? How does it look?
Yeah, so what happened nowadays, they are just mixing some Bharatanatyam movements to Ganesha. So when I perform, I show the Ganesha. So like this. And we saying, Yutsiri Babalana Atnhisi Sasobana Vitndali Adadana Ganu Sudana. He's saying here like elephant face and trunk and half task. So, and people are nowadays they're mixing the art forms. Like if they know Kathak or Kathakali or Bharatanatyam, they are trying to mix them because in Bharatanatyam is full of imagination. It's full of imagination. Once we post like this, they know it's Ganesha, Parvati, Shiva, Vishnu. In Hindi dancing, we don't have those kind of, because we don't have a god. We don't, Hindi dancing is about Buddha, right? So we don't have a god. So that's the reason why it's the art form is like that. So what happened? Rabindranath Tagore, 1932, if I'm correct, he came to Sri Lanka to perform Saap Mocha, one of his dance drama. So what happened? He saw candid dancing, and he took few of dancers from Sri Lanka to India to learn Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, and makeup and those kind of things. Because we didn't have a makeup, we didn't have like colorful costumes or anything. So they went to India, they learned Kathakali, they learned everything, and they back to Sri Lanka, and they said, okay, so we have to fix this. Okay, we have 12 part, Godasaramba, Pasaramba, and these are the items we're going to dance, and these are the things, these are the costumes. So they create a new thing. So it's 1932. Only men start dancing this. The ladies never ever dance. 1932, the first lady dancer called Chandrilekha, she's the first Canadian dancer. 1932. And after Vajira Kittasena. God gate, she's still alive, and the parampara is still happening. They're taking the paramparas. And they are the first female dancers, Canadian dancers in Sri Lanka. And she faced a lot of issues while she's performing, and a lot of issues. Male said, no, ladies should not dance and all this stuff. Now it's open to anyone. Everyone is dancing and anyone can dance. So as I said, when they went to Sri Lanka, India to learn Kathakali and all the art forms, then the similarities came. Okay, they said, okay, we had to fix this. Then the makeup came. Then the hairs and all the jewelries and everything.
When it comes to jewelries, can you tell me what kind of jewelry you use prominently?
Yeah, the Candinas, the first, the male jewelry we call Vesanduma. So we can't just, no one can wear like that. We have to have like ritual. We have to have like arangetram kind of thing. So for that, we have to 3 months. We have to be vegetarian, and we have to practice. In olden days, they had to stay in a temple. They can't even go to house. They have to stay in a temple 3 months. They have to be vegetarian. They should know each and everything about Canadian dancing. Then only they can do the arangetram. Without, they have to perform all the varnams, all the items, everything, the adavus and everything. They should have knowledge, proper knowledge. Then only they can do arangetram. The Vesaduma, it's like a very, I think, they have 32 parts of the costumes, like different ornaments and everything. It's heavy. It's like nearly 30 to 35 kg heavy. And olden days, they used to make from the silver, the pure silver, and the gems and real gold and real stones. Nowadays, they have like normal metals like aluminium and everything. So we have the Canadian dancing, the main color is white and red. We don't mix any other colors. That's the main traditional color. White and red. Because we perform for the ritual, in front of the God and in front of the Buddha we perform. So that's why they are using those colors. Nowadays, we are adding small things like different color ribbons and everything, but we don't change the tradition. We don't change it. But some people, they change the main cloth. We used to have white, now they're changing to gold. Some people wear red and everything. It's funny thing means, olden days, I have seen the pictures. They used to wear like brocade, nice flower, the brocade clothes.
Oh wow!
But after that it's changed, and now it just changed wearing a white, plain white.
Yeah, because the Canadian dance I grew up seeing, I only saw white veshti kind of bottom,
Yeah.
and decorated silver jewelry, but it's quite similar. The feel it gives is quite similar to
Yeah,
Kathak.
if you see the some stuff like from this part, it's even Kathakali we use in the here, and the main part here is we call inhadea. When Kathakali we have those kind of things, the similarities. I mean,
Kathakali, the reason they where it is to portray the dancer who's somebody bigger than a normal human. Because in
Yeah.
Kathak, they don't portray a normal human's role. They portray Deva, the god.
Yeah. Yeah.
With that aura, they make the character bigger than them. So in Canadian
Yeah.
also, is it similar?
Canadian similar, exactly similar. They like one day old, you look like a god or king. It's representing sun and representing warrior. Because if you going to warrior with that costume, you won't get damage because everywhere is covered. Only face is open. We covered here, every places are covered with materials. So they're saying the costumes look like sometimes warrior, sometimes king, the representing sun. So different ideas about the costumes. So the colors, as I say, we use just white and red. Those are the main traditional colors. And I can give you some photos and I can show you some photos. And this part, we have pearls with white and black, red, small pearls. We call owl hair. We covered from here to here. This entire thing we covered with the pearls. And olden days, they used to you make that with one string. We use just one string to make that. We don't use different strings, just one string. That's how they used to make olden days. But nowadays, it's totally different. The technology came, so everything's different. But olden days, they used just one. And the other thing is, and in Canadian dancing, we have different people for different work. The costumes, there are different set of people are making, but they are not dancers. They don't dance. Olden days, I'm talking about. The dancers, they just do dancing. That's it. They don't make costumes. They don't do anything. The drummers, they just drums. They don't do anything. You know what I mean? Now everyone is multi-talented. The costume designer can dance. The dancer can play drums, and they can do everything. But olden days, one job for one person. Like a Bharatanatyam. If you are Nattuanga, Nattunar, you are doing Nattuangam only. Olden days, the male dancers are the Nattuanas, yes? They don't perform, they don't dance. Only the ladies start, the Devadasis, the Sadiratam, the Devadasis start dance. Their job is just dancing. The Nattunar job is the Nattunar, Milanga's job is Milangu. Same thing in Canadian also. The drummer job is they're just playing drums. The dancer just dance. But nowadays, everything changed. For example, Siji sir, he can play, he can sing, he can dance, he can make costume, he can make music, and like everything, multi-talented.
It's really what you've been telling about Canadian dance is really, how do I say it? It's really refreshing because what you said is true. Nowadays, the dancers have different roles for themselves. They don't stick to just one particular area because now the world demands it like that. Each dancer, we have to take different roles, as if we play different roles while we are dancing in a Sahitya Prabha. That's how in real life also as dancers we have to equate ourselves with the different genres, then only we can survive. So each dance form is like vast. So you can't restrain it. Like our first guest Rajesh, he kept on pointing out the knowledge is vast. So he's not able to point it out within that 20 minutes of time.
Yeah.
But whatever you shared with us, it's amazing, Ashan, because I'm from Sri Lanka. I only saw Canadian dancing, but as a Canadian dancer yourself, when you demonstrated and show the basics, and then when you went into the more details of Canadian dancing, it's really eye-opening. So we are glad to have you on board.
And thank you so much for inviting me. And I'm so happy and wish you luck for your team and do more videos and spread the knowledge to the world and people can see them.
Thank you.
And thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for coming on board, Kana. Thank you
so much.
Thank you, Rashan, for explaining us about Canadian dance and comparing it to Bharatanatyam and Kathakali. It was a wonderful discussion. With this, we are entering the second phase in episode 3, the performances. Today, we have student of Guru Swapna Sridharan, Mayura Dance Academy, USA, student of Guru Charulata, NN Natyalaya, Chennai, India, students of Guru Swarnavarsha Gurumurthy, Swarnakala Mandir, Singapore. Students of Guru Vaishnavi Anand, Chetas, Center for Holistic Enrichment Through Arts, Singapore. And then we have Nivedita Agam Divine Dance Academy, Chennai, India. Let us encourage the young dancers and support them to grow.
Namaste. I am Ridula.
I am Srinidhi.
We are students of Swarnakala Mandir.
Today we are going to be dancing for the song Maadu Mekun Kanne in Ragam Chanjurutti Talam Adi,
Composed by Kuthukadu Venkata Kavi.
choreographed by our teacher Swarnavarsha.
Hope you all enjoy this performance.
Namaste.
மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கச்சின்ன பால் தரேன், கல்கண்டு சீனி தரேன். கச்சின்ன பால் தரேன், கல்கண்டு சீனி தரேன். கை நிறைய வெண்ணெய் தரேன், வெயிலிலே போக வேண்டாம். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கை சின்ன பாலும் வேண்டாம், கல்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம். கை சின்ன பாலும் வேண்டாம், கல்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம். உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதனேயே. போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதனேயே. யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுது கள்வர் பயம். யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுது கள்வர் பயம். கள்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கள்ளனுக்கோர் கள்ளனுண்டோ, கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா. கள்ளனுக்கோர் கள்ளனுண்டோ, கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா. கள்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்டதுண்டம் செய்திடுவேன். கள்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்டதுண்டம் செய்திடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதனேயே. போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதனேயே. கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகங்கள் உண்டோ. கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகங்கள் உண்டோ. கரடி புலியை கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். காட்டு மிருகங்கள் எல்லாம் என் வரும். காட்டு மிருகங்கள் எல்லாம் என்னை கண்டால் ஓடி வரும். கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக வந்தால் வேட்டையாடி செய்திடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதேயே. பட்சமுள்ள நந்தகோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டார். பட்சமுள்ள நந்தகோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டால். பட்சமுள்ள நந்தகோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டால் என்ன பதில் சொல்வேனடா என்னுடைய கண்மணியே. மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். பலருடன் வீதியிலே பண்டாடுறான் என்று சொல்லேன். பலருடன் வீதியிலே பண்டாடுறான்
a disciple of Srimati Nivedita Satish Kumar. I am from Aham Divine Dance Academy. I am learning dance for past 8 years. Now I am going to perform Pushpanjali, dance choreography by Srimati Nivedita Satish Kumar. I am thanking my Guru and Kannada team for giving me a nice opportunity to participate in the Dance Online Festival. Thank you.
तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगततदिगिण त्वं 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 तजं तकचं तकिटजं तकिटकिटजं तगतदिगिण त्वं तजं तकचं तकिटजं तकिटकिटजं तगतदिगिण त्वं धरितधणधणधणत जणो 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 तदिमि दिमि दिमितकिटतक तरित धणत जणुत दिमित तरि धरि धरित धण धण धणत जणु जणु जणुत दिमि दिमि दिमित तरित धणत जणुत दिमित तक दिमित तरित धणत जणुत दिमित तक दिमित तरित तदणत तजणुत तदिगिण त्वं तदिगिण त्वं तदरित तदणत तजणुत तदिगिण त्वं तदिगिण त्वं तदिगिण त्वं तदरित तदणत तजणुत तदिगिण त्वं तदिगिण त्वं तदिगिण त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतगततदिगिण 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 त्वं तारितजं तजं तरिता
Namaste, Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. My name is Karthika Kuppala and I have been learning
Bharatanatyam for the past 5 years under Guru Swapna Sridharan, founder and director of Mayura Academy of Dance, Pennsylvania, USA. I would like to thank the Kana team for giving me the opportunity to perform today. I will be performing Subramanya Gautam, set to Ragam Gaula and Talam Chatushra Ekatam. This piece was composed by the Tanjore Quartet and choreographed by my guru Swapna Sridharan.
ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿರ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿರ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿರ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿರ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ ಜನ್ನ ಕಿಟ್ಟ 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 ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತರಿಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಕದ ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ಜಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ வினையற வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமாள் அடியினை தொழு மனமே ஜக ஜக வினையற வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமாள் அடியினை தொழு மனமே ஜக ஜக வினையற வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமாள் அடியினை தொழு மனமே ஜக ஜக தொங்கிடு நல்கிடு தொங்கிட கிடத்தகி தொங்கு நாங்கு தோ தொங்கிடு நல்கிடு தொங்கிடு கிடத்தகி தொங்கு நாங்கு தோ தொங்கிடு நல்கிடு தொங்கிட கிடத்தகி தொங்கு நாங்கு தோ தோ தாஹத தோகிடு தோகிட கிடத்தகி தோகிடு தோகிட கிடத்தகி தோகிட கிடத்தகி நல்கத கிடனக தோ தாஹத தோகிடு தோகிட கிடத்தகி தோகிடு தோகிட கிடத்தகி தோகிட கிடத்தகி நல்கத கிடனக நக ஜக நக தா கானம் மயிலேறி கைலாசம் தன்னை சுழலவரும் இளையவனே தொழுவார் தாளவிதம் வர உடையவனே கானம் மயிலேறி கைலாசம் தன்னை சுழலவரும் இளையவனே தொழுவார் தாளவிதம் வர உடையவனே கானம் மயிலேறி கைலாசம் தன்னை சுழலவரும் ஜன கிட கிடதகி கடல் கிழிய மலை முறிய வரும் முருகன் என்னை வினைய அருளது பெறலாம் கடல் கிழிய மலை முறிய வரும் முருகன் என்னை வினைய அருளது பெறலாம் கடல் கிழிய மலை முறிய வரும் முருகன் என்னை வினைய அருளது பெறலாம் தக்கிடு தக்கிட கிடதகி தக்கிடு தக்கிடு கிடதகி தக்கிடதகி தாக்குகி குப்த கீட்ட தொங்கிட கிடதகடன் தங்கி கிடதகதி கீதாம் தகதாம்
Namaskaram. My name is Anstwani Vimaleshwaran. I am 9 years old. I am learning Bharatanatyam for the past 6 years from my guru Srimati Charlata N.N. Natyalaya. My style is Kalakshetra Bani. I received Kala Yashasvi title from the International Center of Performing Arts in Bengaluru. Now I am going to perform Natakurunji Varnam, Ragam Natakurunji.
சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம்
Takatadikna tondat Dhi Anut Ta Dhimmi Ta Hat Ta Jam Ta Ri Tam Adat Dhanna Tam Adat Jannu Tam Adat Kit Ta Ta Ka Dhi Anut Ta Dhimmi Ta Hat Ta Jam Ta Ri Tam Tat Dhanna Tam Tat Jannu Tam Adat Kit Ta Adat Dhinut Ta Dhimmi Ta Hat Ta Jam Ta Ri Tam Tat Dhanna Tam Tat Jannu Tam Kitta takka dheenutta dhim ta hatta jam tadri tam tadhanda tam dajjandu tam kitta tadheenutta dhimita hatta jam tam tadhanda tam tajjandu tam kitta takka dheenutta dhimita hatta jam tam tadhanda tam tajjandu tam kitta tadheenutta dhimita hatta jam dari tam tadhanda tam tajjandu tam kitta takka dheenutta dhimita hatta jam dari tam tadhanda tam tajjandu tam kitta tadheenutta dhimita hatta jam dari dheenutta dhimita hatta jam dari takadi tadhimita hatta jam dari dheenutta dhimita hatta jam dari dheenutta dhimita takadheenutta dhimite dheenutta dhimite dheenutta dhimita kadheenutta dhim dari dhana jannutta dhimita takadhikku kadakadakada thum dari dhana jannutta dhimita takadhikku kadakadakada thum dari dhana jannutta dhimita takadhikku kadakadakada thum takadhikku kadakadakada thum kadakadakada thum
சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நானுந்தன் அடிமை அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகம் எல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் 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 அறியுமே
தக்க தத்தின் தக்க தத்தின் தக்க தக தக தத்தின் தக்க தத்தின் தக்க தக்க தத்தின் தக்க தத்தின் தக்க தள்ளுங்கு தக்க தத்தீங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தண்ட தக்க ஜண்டு தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தண்ட தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தண்ட தக்க ஜண்டு தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தண்ட தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரி தக்க தத்திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்தரிங்கிள் தத்தம் தா திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா திங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்ததிங்கிள் தத்தம் தா ததிங்கிள் தத்தம் தா ததிங்கிள் தத்தம் தா அகத்ததிங்கிள் தத்தம் கிடதகதிங்கிள் தத்தம் கிடதிங்கிள் தத்தம்
சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை என்று உலகமெல்லாம் அறியுமே சுவாமி நான் உந்தன் அடிமை நடராஜ தேவா சச்சிதானந்த நடராஜ தேவா
దలంగు దకది గుదకత దికిటతం తద్ధని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదచ్చం రజ్జం కడతకద దలంగు దకదకదని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదచ్చం రజ్జం కడతకద దలంగు దకదని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదచ్చం రజ్జం కడతకద దలంగు దకదకదని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదరే గుదచ్చం ధని గుదచ్చం రజ్జం కడతకద దలంగు దకదని గుద కడతకద దలంగు దకదని గుద కడతకద దలంగు దత్తచ్చం దత్తన్నం దత్తఠుం దత్తదిత్తజం తజుం గతిం తకిడ కడతకదకడతం కడతకదకడతం కడకడతం దత్తచ్చం దత్తన్నం దత్తఠుం దత్తదిత్తజం తజుం గతిం తకిడ కడతకదకడతం కడతకదకడతం కడకడతం దత్తచ్చం దత్తన్నం దత్తరుం దత్తదిత్తజం తజుం గతిం తకిడ కడతకదకడతం కడతకదకడతం కడకడతం
நடராஜ தேவா சச்சிதானந்த நடராஜ தேவா சச்சிதானந்த நடராஜ தேவா
We are going to be performing a Pushpanjali followed by a Shlokam, Kriti and Jati in Raga Malika and Talam Malika in the Bharatanatyam style. Hope you enjoy our performance.
9th standard, student of Srimati Nivedita Satish Kumar from Hum Divine Dance Academy. I am learning dance for more than 6 years in Hum Divine Dance Academy. Today I am going to present Ganesh Stuti. Thank you Kana Online Dance team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
तांडव गणपति ससिमितो मेन 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 तांडव गणपति ஆண்டவன் கணபதி அருளிடவாயன 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 தாண்டவ கணபதி சசிமிதோ என தாண்டவ கணபதி நர்த்தன கணபதி நளினவே பார்த்திட நர்த்தன கணபதி நளினவே பார்த்திட கசிவி தோமென சிவநடன துள்ளிரே தசிவி தோமென சிவநடன துள்ளிரே நர்த்தன கணபதி நளினவே பார்த்திட தசிவி தோமென சிவநடன துள்ளிரே நர்த்தன கணபதி நளினவே பார்த்திட தசிவி தோமென சிவநடன துள்ளிரே தாண்டவ கணபதி சசிமிதோ என தாண்டவ கணபதி சசிமிதோ என தாண்டவ கணபதி தாண்டவ கணபதி தாண்டவ கணபதி
Namaskaram. My name is Anya Rao and I am a student of Guru Amritari Shivahar. Thank you all dancers for your beautiful performances. Thank you Guru Nivedita, Guru Vaishnavi Anand, Guru Swarna Varsha Kurumurthy, Guru Swapna Sridharan and Guru Charulata for coming on board for this wonderful episode of Kana. On behalf of Team Kana, I would like to specially thank our collaborators, Lisha Literary Club Singapore, Tokyo Tamil TV and Tokyo Tamil Sangam. We have come to the end of our episode. Stay tuned for another exciting episode of Kana next week, Saturday at 7 p.m.